Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove vocals in Audacity in 2026. This can be useful when you want to create an instrumental-style version of a song, although results depend heavily on how the original track was produced. First, open Audacity and import the audio file you want to work with. Listen to the track and check whether the vocals are centered in the stereo mix. If the vocal and instrumental elements are separated across the stereo channels in a suitable way, Audacity may be able to reduce the centered vocal signal. Start by selecting the audio track, then open the appropriate vocal reduction or isolation effect available in your Audacity version. Review the available options carefully. Depending on the version, you may be able to choose between reducing vocals, isolating vocals, or adjusting the frequency range affected by the process. Choose the vocal reduction option and preview the result before applying it permanently. Listen closely to both the vocals and the remaining instrumental audio. If the vocals are reduced successfully, you may still notice some remnants of the voice or changes to the music. This is normal because the original elements may overlap in frequency and stereo position. Try different settings and compare the results. Pushing the effect too far can remove parts of the instrumental track or create an unnatural sound. If you're working with a stereo file, make sure you understand whether the effect is processing both channels as expected. Once you find a suitable result, apply the effect and listen through the entire recording. Check for changes in drums, bass, guitars, or other instruments. Remember that vocal removal isn't always perfect. The best results usually come from recordings where the vocals are clearly centered and the instrumental parts are separated well. When you're satisfied, save your project and export the processed audio, and that's how to remove vocals in Audacity. Use the vocal reduction tools, preview different settings, and remember that the final result depends on the original stereo mix. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next